First, though, let's begin with Fox 12's Audrey Wheel, who's sharing much more after Washington's governor made that big announcement about the strictest education vaccine mandates in the country. Audrey?
Right, Bonnie. Well, this rule applies to every school level from daycare through college and includes public, private, and charter schools. Part of what makes this so strict is that there is no option for people to get tested for COVID-19 regularly in lieu of vaccination.
It's important that we do our part.
For Dana Christensen, it's no question. Having vaccinated educators helps keep kids safe and healthy. But she worries Governor Jay Inslee's mandate will cause a different problem.
Childcare is already really difficult to run. During COVID, it's difficult to find staff, qualified staff. And, let's face it, there are some educators that are anti-vaccine. And I think people are going to lose good teachers because of this, and it just really scares me.
Most of her staff at Tree Hill Learning Center in Vancouver and Camas is vaccinated. She's now having difficult conversations with the few who aren't.
I would hate to lose them, but it is what it is.
The education vaccine requirement is for adults working and volunteering in K-12 schools, higher education, early learning, and childcare, beyond just teachers to include people like coaches and bus drivers. There is no option to test out, and there are limited medical and religious exemptions. These workers will have until October 18th to be fully vaccinated as a condition of employment. The president of the Vancouver Education Association says they're keeping a neutral stance, knowing there are differing perspectives on this.
We're just kind of taking it as it is, recognize that it is a mandate. We have an obligation to comply, and we'll make sure that folks are aware and have access to the resources they need to make things happen one way or the other.
Christensen says it's a tough but necessary situation.
I think that it is worth it. People need to get vaccinated. And if you want to work with children, I think it's the right thing to do.
And this vaccine mandate does not apply to students. Governor Inslee said that he thinks that this will help save the lives of employees and children, including those kids who are too young to be vaccinated, and that this will help keep schools open. Reporting live in Vancouver, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.